Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I wanted to talk to you about your real estate business and what you're probably missing in your business, which is the right bait to catch the right type of client. You already know, if you've been selling real estate for a while, there's an awful lot of things that make it tough to attract new buyers and sellers, including the fact that we don't have really good offers out there. So if you don't have a good offer, the problem you're going to have is no matter what advertising you run, nobody wants it, right? If you're saying like, I can represent your best interest, you have a realtor to help you, nobody wants that help. I was actually thinking about this today because the better your bait is, the better you can get the things that you want. Nobody cares about you. You know, even my own dog, if you've ever watched any of my videos before, you've seen Honey in some of my videos, and she doesn't care to even come to me when I ask for it. She thinks she's a princess, right? So she stays wherever she's at. Let's see if it works. Hey, Honey, come here. Honey. Absolutely nothing. But if you've got the right bait, Honey. Oh, look at that. Now all of a sudden she's interested and she's very excited and she won't stay away and she can't help but to be excited for what I have. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. So you've got to have some good bait in your real estate business. Now I can't get the dog off of me. Honey, you're famous now. Look at you. Show him your face. So look at her. See that? If you have the right bait as a real estate agent, keep in mind, she was laying over there, no interest. I used the same word. I used her name, but I have something that she wants, and she's going to kill me now to get more of these things out of here. Hold on a minute. However, you as a real estate agent need to think about the bait that you're using and what you can do to be more attractive to the buyers. Look at that. We are recording right now. To get more and more of the buyers and sellers attracted to what it is you're offering. So hopefully you find that little lesson helpful here. Honey's helping us out by being the little princess she is. She only cares about what she wants, and I think our clients are the same way. So make it a great day. Go out there and sell some houses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.